Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a concept that Facebook ad campaign under review and Facebook ad campaign scheduled for running. What is the difference between these two situations? Let me tell you that this video is all about what is the difference between Facebook ad campaign that is under review and the Facebook ad campaign that is scheduled for running. Whenever you design a ad campaign, right, so Meta double cross checks that particular ad campaign whether that campaign is ethical or not, and like all the safety parameters that Meta have set up on their platform for running Facebook ads. Meta verifies that ad campaign in the review part, right? So whenever you run an ad campaign, it is always shown in review, right? It means Meta technology is like reviewing that ad campaign whether it matches to their standards or not, right? After passing the review stage, that ad campaign goes to scheduled for running. It means that ad campaign have already passed the review phase. Now it is scheduled for running as soon as Meta gets inventory or spaces to showcase your ad in the required budget and the bidding to get you the good results in the specific or limited budget. Then Meta will start serving your ads to users and it is scheduled for running. It will start running within next 1 hour or 2 hour as soon as Meta gets a good space, or you can say placement inventory within your budget and your bidding, so that you start getting results. So that particular phase is scheduled for running, right? And the next phase comes to active campaign. It means your campaign is actively displaying or showing to Meta users. So basically these are a few phases. There are many more ad campaign phases apart from that, like ad learning phase, right? So if you want to learn Facebook advertising in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my digital marketing course website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.